is going on, peoples? Good morning to all you guys. Let's do some day trading this morning. Let's do some trades. Let's see, we got something from somebody. My trade for today. Good stuff, good stuff. Let's see if we can get some. Bro, we got this, we have this Bullinox account right here. And, let's see if I can move this camera a little bit my way. Just a little bit more. There you go. So we got this Bullinox account this morning that, let's see if we can pass it. Made a little bit of money this morning on this 538 candle, this one right here, and it was just luck. I put what was it, 538? Where's it at? Oh, right here. No, 538. 538. No, I think it was this one, 544, something like that, or 558. Yeah, 558. I put my set limit order here to go long, and then all of a sudden it just popped. So we'll see right now. We'll just we'll see if we can get this thing past. We need to get 3,000, and right now we're at 534. So, and I'm only doing 2 minis, guys, 2 minis, and just so you can know, more contracts doesn't necessarily mean more money. You have to look at it both ways. If I have a bunch of contracts on there, yeah, I can gain a lot of money, but at the same time, I can lose a lot of money on one trade. So you have to be careful on how many contracts you're gonna put on there, and come up with a strategy. Come up with a good strategy that's gonna support your contracts. You don't want to lose too much. We have this thing where we want to put a stop loss there. We want to put a take profit there, and for whatever reason, we just want to sit there and wait for it to hit. An account like this one, it's an intraday, so either way, you don't want to do that unless you have momentum going your way, unless the candle's moving nonstop, and it's got a little nice pulse going towards your take profit, then leave it alone. But other than that, it's not about sitting on your hands and just waiting for it to hit you. It's not about that, because you got to remember it's intraday, so it's gonna blow your account if you wait for that stop loss to get hit. You don't want to wait for that. Let's use in the neighborhood. Boy, that's a hell of a name. I'm gonna go with 2387. Good morning, Vic. Does the market open at 6:30? Yes, it does. 6:30 Pacific time. Roscoe Childs, what's going on, Roscoe Childs? Thanks for coming back. You trade using the breakout strategy. I use Scarface's break and retest. That's what I use. 2387 Vic, you got to change your address to Puerto Rico. That way you don't have to pay any taxes on capital gains. Yeah, tell me about it. Yeah, tell me about it. I've been telling my wife we just need to get the hell out of California, but all the kids are here and the grandkids, so we're screwed. But yeah, let's see what we can do today. Yeah, Roscoe, but yeah, that's what I do. I do the break and retest from uh, what's his face? Scarface. So again, it's a Bullinox account. Uh, let me type it in right here. There you go. There you go. There you go. And it's an intraday account, so you got to be careful. You got to be careful when you're trading these accounts, because it'll get you. It'll get you. So being in the red, 20, $30 is enough for me. Uh, you gotta close your position and stay green. Stay green. But we'll see. We'll see if we can pass this account today. Good thing about Bullinox, I mean, you can't beat Bullinox. It is so laid back. Their rules are so laid back. You can trade news. You can pass in one day. You got 7 minis that you can trade with. Not like these other prop firms. You can only trade 2 minis. You can't trade news. That's just Bullinox. You get paid every 10 days. But Bullinox is laid back to me compared to most prop firms. Most prop firms that have intraday accounts, their rules are they're minimal. They're not as strict as some of the other prop firms that I've looked up. It's just, to me, it's just crazy. But that's the way they're gonna make their money. So we can't complain about that. If we want to trade with their platform, their money, we have to trade the way they want us to trade. Did I ever have a Schwab account? No, I've never had a Schwab account. I have a Ninja Trade account. That's a live account. But the prop firms that I like trading with is Bullinox and Funding Ticks. Do I recommend anybody to trade on Tradeovate after you trade with this chart right here? No, I don't. This chart has been more simplified than most charts out there. I like it, but in case you guys don't know, this chart will be going away from the rest of the prop firms. And it's funny because look at the glitch that it had yesterday. And they're kicking out all the prop firms from using this chart. This chart just keeps getting a bunch of glitches, and that's the bad thing about it. Top Step is gonna be the only one to trade this chart. It was a good strategy on Top Step's behalf, to put it out, let everybody try it out, and then kick all the prop firms out, so all the traders that are used to this chart would just get accounts from Top Step. But they just have a lot of glitches. This chart has a lot of glitches. For you guys that have Top Step, more power to you. I'm not knocking anybody. Anybody that's trying to make money, I'm not knocking anybody. But it's hard to, give Top Step any kind of credit, because the chart is pretty bad. it just keeps getting these glitches, and it's not good for traders, But let's see what we can do today. Doing any runs today? No, not today. Not today. I got one. I got one tomorrow. Roscoe Childs, how's them videos helping you out? Are they helping you out at all? 2387. Do you trade as well? I apologize. I bet Ross, Peter, bet Rojan. Yeah, that's a heck of a name. That's a tongue twister right there. Yeah, so the way I trade, my trading is not, it's not like everybody else. My trade, I simplify my trade as much as possible. I have no indicators. I don't have any of that stuff. My only indicator will be a box. That's how it's going to be. It's just going to be the box, which is going to be this one that I will draw. And it'll be on the 5-minute candle. It'll be the high and the low, and that's where I'm trading at. If it breaks the high, comes back and retests it. If it breaks the low of the 5-minute candle, comes back and retests it. That's mainly what I do. That's it. Don't get me wrong. If EMAs, VWAP, and that other indicator that goes down here and right here on the side, if them work for you, hey, I'm not knocking it. It just doesn't work for me, The way I see it is, you put too much on your plate, you don't know what the hell you're gonna read. So if I simplify it, I know exactly what I'm looking for. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, it's just not. So you can just call me Peter. Okay, good stuff. I want to start trading, but I've taken so many losses in the past. It's kind of taking the taste out of my mouth. Yeah. I mean, it happens. Peter, I think this is part of the game. You have to take these losses in order to learn. And we've lost because of our discipline. Oh, the market's open, guys. The market is open. Hold on, Peter. I'll get back to you. Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got to break through all this. The 15-minute is my Bible. The 15-minute is my Bible. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Looks like it might break through here. Let me see. Okay. 390. $390, $79. To 380. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a limit order there. I'm gonna put a limit order there for now. Just for now. shall see. We shall see what it does. And then I'm gonna go to 380. So 10 points. Just grab a little quick 10 points if it dumps. If not, I'll shut it down real quick. I'll get close. Let's see what we do. Yeah, Peter, but like I was saying, I think it's just part of our learning process because it's hard to break the emotions that we naturally have. You know, all that revenge trading, trying to get your money back. And then once you blow an account, you're just anxious to get another account where in reality we're just supposed to sit back, relax, look at why we blew that account, analyze it, and try to fix the problem. But we get so emotional into this that we want to buy an account right away and let's go. I can do it. That's, believe me, we've all been through it. You're not the only one, Peter. You're not the only one. Okay, this is my next candle. So let me take that off. Okay, that's third. Okay, so this is going to be my range right here, I believe. Unless that candle goes below that, this will be my range. We shall see. We shall see right now. Got 4 seconds on that candle. Yeah, that's my range right there. So I'm gonna go from the highest. Doesn't matter which candle it is, just the highest wick or the highest body from 330 to 334. That's it. Doesn't matter which candle is higher, doesn't matter which wick is higher. But that's my range right there. So right now what I want is, well, what I'm waiting for is for it to break the bottom, come back and retest, and then once it starts going back down, that's when I'll get into a trade. But I'll do some other trades if I see them. I'll do some other trades, and but that's my main strategy right there. So I went from 80 to 90. Look at that. It would have hit. It would have hit. Okay, let's see where it's going now. That's the 15-minute. Oh wow, look at that. Okay, so if it bypasses that, then oh yeah, it's coming all the way down here, guys. It is coming all the way down there. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, look at that. That's pretty good. Let's see. So the 15-minute gives me a bigger view of which way the market is going. with all the little, you know, breakouts and little candles forming and closing. The 15 minute just gives you a better view. It just all the way down with the big old wick right there. And this is my time frame that I like to trade, the 5 minute. I really don't like trading on the 1 minute because again it has a lot of noise. So, but I'm just doing it because a lot of you guys like trading on the 1 minute. Let's see what the 1 minute is doing. You see long wick on the top, body building on the bottom. That indicates to me that it's gonna keep dumping. Will it keep doing it? Don't know, but that's what I see all the time, and that's what I go based off of. But this is where you guys need to learn how to read charts, read candles, and as soon as you learn how to read candles and see how they're forming, how they're closing, and all that stuff, that's when you can just sit down, put a trade, and know for a fact that it's gonna hit TP. So Peter says, then again, you making these videos explaining it does help. Oh, appreciate that. Yeah, Peter, it's just patience. That's all it is. It's patience, coming up with a strategy, backtesting it, and seeing your strategy come through every day, every other day. As long as it comes through, and then you just practice it. You practice it, and if it's happening every day, every other day, then trade that strategy and stick with that strategy. If you can stick with that strategy, you'll be profitable. I looked at it last night. Yesterday. I didn't trade yesterday. I just looked at it yesterday. And I just seen that it was just in a range. It was just going like this, in a range. I was like, oh man. Either somebody passed a bunch of evaluations, made a bunch of money, or a whole bunch of accounts got blown because they didn't see that. But yeah, to me, Mondays and Fridays are really not my days, so. Okay, let's see what the 15 is doing. Yeah, so it's busted down here. So let's see if we can catch the long. Let's see if we can catch it going back up. So it came all the way down here. You guys see the wick? Came all the way down here. So now it's time to get back up there, buddy. But again, if we don't get a trade, we don't get a trade. It's not the end of the world, Yeah, Peter, don't. I mean, what I do is I buy cheap evals, which is this one right here, Bullernox. I buy them cheap. And all I do is just practice passing them. And I don't fund them. All I do is just pass them. I just pass them and just keep practicing that way. down here. I wonder if it's going to try to cover all this. Or could it cover this? Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. This is the 15-minute, by the way. I always look at this and you know what time frame I'm on. But this is my Bible. This pretty much tells me which way the market is going to go. So I'm not looking for short. I'm looking for a long. Okay? I'm looking for a long. So could I put a trade now and go short? Yes, but that's not what I'm looking for. I don't care for this long candle. That's what we need to learn to train ourselves. I'm not looking to go short. I'm looking to go long. That's it. If it keeps dumping, it keeps dumping. But right now, that's my strategy. I'm looking for long. I'm looking for it to go back up. It already broke. Now I want it to go back up and retest. Could this be it, guys? Could this be it? We shall see, we shall see, we shall see. Any other tips on making extra income, side hustles? Good question. No, I couldn't. I mean, this is the easiest one right here, Peter. This is the easiest one. So, this freaking thing, now it's just gonna stutter. What are you doing, buddy? Okay, the new 5-minute just opened. Okay. Let's see what the 15 is trying to do. Oh, wow, look at that dump. What are you doing, dude? That is a hell of a dump. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Are you ever gonna come back to Earth? Yeah, it's just dumping. It's just dumping. It's okay. It's alright. We're gonna catch the long. We're gonna catch the long. Can't go that further down. I mean, I can't go too far down. We're gonna catch the long. We are gonna catch the long, guys. Okay, so right here we got consolidation. So if we're gonna catch some kind of long, we want to get it above that consolidation. So somewhere up here, right? But we want to make sure these green candles have momentum going to the upside. But that's the way I see it. You guys see it? It just went sideways right here. So my best bet would be to put something up here to the long side. That's gonna come back and retest if we're gonna catch a long. Pete said, damn, that's Montezuma's revenge dump. I don't know what that means, but okay. Montezuma. Shucks. Let's see. Yeah, but back to what I do. That's all I do, Pete. That's all I do. I just pass evaluations, just to keep practicing. Let me show you guys. Let's see. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. So you see, these are all passed. All these accounts are passed. This is the one that I'm working on right now. So that's all I pretty much do. I just pass the accounts just to practice. That's all. And you know, once you pass enough evaluations, then you know, then you can go over to your to fund these accounts. But other than that, just practice passing these accounts. Grab the cheapest evaluations that you can. Like for instance, right now, Bullinox is the cheapest. No, I'm lying. Apex is the cheapest right now. I think they're like $6-7. But I think their deal ends today. But just grab you some. If you don't want a paper trade, which I would recommend that. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm gonna put a limit order there, and I'm hoping it just retests all the way back up from there. I mean, there is another consolidation here, but I'm hoping it bypasses that and it just shoots right back up. But yeah, just grab some cheap evaluations. First paper trade for about a month and a half. If you think you have it, if you have confidence in yourself, buy some evaluations, some cheap evaluations. Don't buy expensive evaluations. No 50, 60, $30 evaluations. Don't do that. Buy some cheap evaluations and do that. Pass a few, back to back, not just one or two, make it 4 or 5, just back to back. If you can pass them evaluations back to back, then you can fund one of your accounts. Because whatever you're doing on the evaluation part, you can bring it over to the fund part, the funded part, if that makes any sense to you. But that's what I do. Let's see if we're gonna get bypassed that thing. And again, there's There's consolidation right here. So, yeah, we will see if it bypasses this consolidation. I mean, I'm probably gonna take my. I'm gonna watch out for 337 right underneath this consolidation to see if it struggles there. If it struggles there, then I just close out. But if it bypasses that on good momentum, then it's probably gonna go up to the lower five, the low five, 5 minute candle. Now this is not necessarily Scarface's strategy, because Scarface's strategy is break the 5 minute low, come back up to the 5 minute low, call the retest, and then once it starts dumping again, that's when you get in the trade. But I'm gonna catch the retest and then catch the dump again. If it does it, if it does it today. If it doesn't do it, then that's fine with me. But do you see the difference between what my chart looks like and what others' charts look like, with lines and this stuff down here, this stuff right here on the side? You put too much information in front of you, you're gonna miss a lot of information because there's too much on your chart to read. If you simplify it as much as possible, I can't stress that enough. If you can simplify it as much as possible, you'll understand more of what you're looking at. Oh, that's what you get when you go to Mexico for vacation. Freaking Pete. Gotta go, bro. God bless you and your family and make that money. Stay safe. Get on, Pete. Go get that money, bro. All right. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Oh, man. Oh. Can we make the 3,000 today, guys? Can we make the 3,000 today? We shall see. We shall see. Gotta go make some more coffee, that's for sure. This coffee is not cutting it. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Let's see what the 15 is looking like. Oh, 15 just wicked all the way down here. Wow. That was a good dump. Let's see what the 5 is looking like. It's undecided. Oh, it looks like a pump now. It looks like a pump now. So just keep in mind, intraday accounts, you want to trail your trade. You don't want to just sit back and watch it. Trail that son of a biscuit, because if you don't, you're going to lose your account. It's got momentum, guys. It's got momentum. But the other thing that I look for is the time on the candle. If the time on the candle is less than 20 seconds on the 1 minute, I don't want to get filled. So I'll push my set limit order away from it because I want more time on that candle in order to move in my direction. Like there, it's 50 seconds, so I'm okay. I'm okay, but if it stutters like
Order.
okay, we're in the trade. We're in the trade. All right, let's see. Okay, that'll be 800 bucks if we get it. So again, guys, trail your stops, trail your trade. I don't care if I just get that little
Order
$100.
filled.
Why? Because it's an intraday. It's an intraday. And then you can always enter right back. Okay, so by 2. Okay, so we're back. We're back with 7 seconds on that candle. Okay, we're good now. We're good now. So it might just get up to the top of this right
Order
here.
filled.
So let's see if we can get it, guys. Let's see if we can get it.
Order filled.
So yeah, I'm not. See, now we're back to 36 bucks, which is, it's not good. It's not good. Okay, so what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get above this consolidation right here and hopefully catch the pump back up. But we'll see if we can get this, guys. We'll see if we can get this. We shall see. Come on, Bati, come on, Bati. Yeah, when them candles start moving like that, that's not a good thing for me. I don't think that's. I believe that's AI. It's being manipulated. It's not somebody selling their stock or what have you. We shall see. Come on, buddy. Come on. Talk to me. Let's see what the 15-minute. Yeah, 15 minutes. Looks like he's gonna come down and grab this. What the frick? What the hell? What is this? Let me see. Performance. Let me see what happened here. I'm trying to see something, guys. So it's kind of crazy. I lost 635. L. Okay, alright. Let's see. Yes, that's a dumpster. Might be in another range like yesterday, guys. Remember yesterday, just boom, 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 all day. Might be in that same kind of range today. So. Let's see. Going back up. I'm going back up. What are we doing? Show me the money. It's ginger and water, by the way. Ginger water. I like to put 2 pieces of ginger on the bottom. On the bottom, in the water. If I don't have to drink straight water, I won't. I'll put either some lemon or some ginger in the water. Come on, man, what are you doing?
Be a good short. Hope everything else looks good. If we just reject view up here, then I think we're going to head to new lows. And yeah, this GZU down here is actually pretty good. Let's label that so everybody knows. Everybody knows what's going on at the GZU.
Let's go.
Colby says if you're stuck in a top set trade, just lock out and then we'll close it. Is that true? You change your gateway on top of X? No, it doesn't work like that, Brescia. I don't think. I think it's just auto connects. There's no gateway selection. Alright. I'm going to see if we pop up here to view up.
It looks like it's just gonna BS. I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee and I'll be right back. What's going on? What's going on, MB Trucker?
Tops up is back up. I'd still be hesitant to trade it because it happened yesterday too. Because if you have a screen recording of you up $700 and running, I'm not sure what they'll do. We don't work for Tops Up. Eddie does, but it's probably need more clarification. I assume it'll just be wiped. My thoughts on Quantower? Seems fine. It wasn't as intuitive. Like, I opened it a couple times, messed around with it, and it wasn't as intuitive as I wanted. But I like that different multiple connections, things like that. Like, it seems fine. So another VWAP projection on ES, right? Lower high on NASDAQ. Did not get up to VWAP yet. So Jared, good morning. Has TradeSync been good lately? Yeah, it was fine. Last I used it was, I think Thursday. I haven't used it this week, I don't believe. Maybe I used it this week, actually. No, yeah, I used it Monday.
Oh man, come on, buddy. Yeah, I think we're gonna get the same thing as yesterday. Whole bunch of just here. Let's see what we can do. Let's print some money today, like the U.S. Treasury. Yeah, that's the plan. That is the plan. We shall see. Only two minis, that's it. We're not gonna go too hard on this. So we shall see. Let's see what the 15 is saying. Yeah, 15 is really not. I mean, it's a dumpster. But it's not really doing nothing. Let's see the 5. Let's go look at what gold is doing. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold had a good dump. Now it's going back up. Let me see YM. Yeah, a whole bunch of gibberish. Let's go back to NQ. It's just consolidating right there in that area. Made 2 trades today. One won, lost the little bit of profit that I made on the next trade. Let's see if we can make the next trade a profitable trade. But if I'm going to take a trade, I'll probably take it way up here, because I want it to pass this gibberish, and then there's some consolidation right there. So I want to get above that. If I'm going to take a short, it's probably going to be way down here. Let me look at the 15. Yeah, it's probably going to be right on the bottom of that wick, which is 280. 280, and maybe cover that wick all the way to 248. So let's get back to the 1 minute. I'm gonna put a limit order to buy up there. 2 minis. We'll see what happens. I made all my money in the London market. That's good. It's really good. My God, come on, dude. Let's go back. Let me put my stuff in there already. Let's say 280. Yeah, 280. I'll put 2 minis there. Whoa. After coming to the 1 minute, looking at it, no, I don't want it. I don't want it. I want it there. I want it there. If anything, right underneath that consolidation right there. Because, I mean, if you guys can see, it's just there. It's just there. And pretty much there. That's where it's consolidating, just here. It's going back and forth, back and forth. So I didn't do the same thing as it did yesterday. Yesterday, this is exactly what it did. It just consolidated in one area. I didn't trade yesterday, but I looked at it. My wife, she made some pretty good dough yesterday. But me, I just I stood out of it. I was doing a delivery, so I was doing some driving yesterday, so I really wasn't willing to trade that market yesterday. And right now it's just looking like a whole bunch of gibberish, if you ask me. It's not doing much. It's not doing much. It just has to give me some kind of direction. This is not giving me no direction. Again, there's the 15. Whole bunch of consolidation right there. Look at that. Whole bunch of consolidation. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit more. Where the money was today is just the dump. That's where the money was. As far as right now, there's not really much to trade right now. Sitting on your hands, that's the game right now. Just sitting on your hands. I do believe once we get some kind of direction, it's gonna be a good direction. So let's just wait on it. So again, if you don't know, this is Project X. That's what this chart is called. Top Step is going to take full control of it, and all the prop firms that are trading with Project X, they will be X'd out. They will be X'd out, so you won't be able to use Project X on any other prop firm other than Top Step. And again, their strategy was pretty good. You know, throw it out to the market, let all the prop firms use it, and then let everybody get used to it, and then take over it. Let me open up this door. I mean, I don't knock them for that. But the bad thing about it is all the glitches that it's been having. So, for people to have faith in this chart, it's kind of hard with all the glitches that it's having. But it's a good strategy. It was a good strategy. They just got to get it fixed. They got to get these glitches fixed. What do you guys think? Are we finally going to get a direction?
Anything yet?
That's, oh, the Raycon?
Yeah.
Let me check. No. You want me to just email her? Okay. Yeah. Wow, it was giving us direction. Now it's, again, this is yesterday's stuff right here. This is yesterday's action, just consolidating in this area. It looked like it was going to give us a direction here, but look at now it's just reversing. This is identical as yesterday. It hasn't changed. It's not changing whatsoever. I know a lot of people don't like putting set limit orders, but that's what I like doing. And again, like for instance, right now there's only 20 seconds left on that candle. If it was dumping, I'd grab my limit order and just push it further down because I don't want to get filled in if the candle has no less than 20 seconds. I want the candle to have enough time for it to keep running. And there it goes up. There it goes up. I hear a lot of people I hear a lot of people say it's a tough market. It's not a tough market. I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, there it goes back up. And then it's going to come right back down. Right? It's going to come up here. And then it's going to come back down. Let's see. Let's see if it does it. Let's see, come on, buddy, do something, god darn it, do something. And there it comes back down. Yeah, that's exactly yesterday's market right here. Exactly. Let's see, come on, buddy. Damn, been in this thing for an hour already, and it still hasn't done nothing for me. Well, it took my money, that's for sure. Let's see, performance. Let's see what the performance did. See, I had put in a winning trade for 534, and then I put in a losing trade for 635. And right now I'm just down 36 bucks. All right. Let's see if we can change that up. Oh, my goal today is just to pass this account. Will it happen? Don't know. I don't know. But we shall see. We shall see. I'm gonna give it 8 more minutes again. If it doesn't break through this, then I'll be done for the day. Got things to do today. So we shall see. We shall see. So I think at 7:40, I just call it a day. Because there's no need to stare at this chart and nothing's happening, you know. There's no need for me to force anything. Yes, I'm seeing that it's going up, coming back down, going up, going back down. Yes, I am seeing that. And I could get into them trades. But That's not what I'm looking for. I want this to break out of this gibberish and go back up. Go back up to at least the bottom of the 5-minute opening candle. Or break out of here. Break out of here. And then if it breaks out of here, then I can take all this right here. All this. Okay? Or I can just take it down to the wick, which is not a bad trade, you know. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm taking it down. Oh shucks! It's about to touch. The wick is at 249. 249. Okay. Let me bring this a little bit further down because it's got 20 something seconds left on it and it's getting close to it. I don't want to get filled there. Again, I want the candle to have enough time for it to keep pushing on whatever direction it's going. It is trying to break out of that zone right there that it's stuck in. It's trying to break out of it.
Order
Oh shit. Okay. Let's see if we can get 530 on this. Let's see if we can get it, guys. 530. You know what? Let's just bring it down to 940. But again, this is an intraday account, so the strategy here: stay green. Stay green, guys. Stay green. Going to 190.
Order filled.
Took the 190. Made got it out of the red. Okay, so now let's get back down there underneath this breakout right here. Or should I say consolidation? Consolidation. That was a quick scalp, huh? That was not a bad scalp. You know what? Let me get underneath that wick. Underneath that wick right there.
Order filled.
Ooh, shucks. Okay. 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 Again, we want to stay green,
Order
guys.
filled.
160. All right, we got 160. 192. Okay, so we got some movement now, guys. We got some movement. It's a dumpster. It is a dumpster. 15 minute. Ooh, shucks. Look at that. Perfect. That was good. And it's just dumping. It is just dumping. It's going to come all the way down here or what? We have movement. The market has woken up. Okay, let's take that off now. So I'm looking at the 15 minute right now, what it's doing. So it's gonna go down there. Yeah, it's gonna go all the way down. Look at that. How far down is it gonna go? That's a good question. Good question. Let's go see what ES is doing. Yeah, ES is dumping as well. And Q, alright, and Q. It's gonna go, what? It already went down there. So, let's see. Is it pulling back up, guys? Is it pulling back up? That is the question. Okay, so I put a limit order there above this consolidation. See if it gets back up. I think now is a good time to take my 5-minute candle off. Let's see 15. Let's see 15. What are you doing, 15? It looks like it's gonna dump. Looks like it's gonna dump. And it already dumped to there. It's gonna take out these wicks right here. What was that? 170. I'm gonna put a sell right there at 170. See if we can keep dumping, and then 170 is telling me that, okay, 150. We shall see. Breakup. We got consolidation here. So 29. Yeah, I guess. Let me see what this does right here, this candle. And I might bring my limit order to buy up here. Down here, I mean. Let me see if it does it. Because I'm looking at this candle right here. Body on the top, wick on the bottom. So that pretty much tells me the market's gonna reverse. This candle right here is just it's undecided. But let me see what this candle does. If this candle turns green and it bypasses this wick right here, and that's the way it closes, then we're looking at a long. And then I'll bring my buy limit order up here. I mean down there. But right now, it's still dumping. It's getting too close to my limit. Doesn't have enough time, so I don't want to get filled in. 10 seconds. That's too close. I need the candle to have more time to keep going that same direction. So what did I say? I was going to go to 50. I was going to go down to 50.
Order.
There goes. So I'm going down to 50. There you go. Well, let's see if we can get it, guys. Let's see if we can get it. Remember, again, this is an intraday account, so you want to try to stay green. Stay green. Do not stay in a trade too long when you're in the red, because it's an intraday account. I'm gonna
Order
take the
fi-
$90. I'm gonna take the $90. Don't want to stay in that too long. And then I'm gonna put another set limit order there. I do believe it's
Order
a dump.
filled.
I do believe it's a dump.
Order filled.
Oh, that son of a biscuit. I don't know what happened there. What did I do? What happened? Oops. Let me see. I mean, it's still green, but I just want to know what happened to that trade. Oh well. Let's get back in here. Let's get back in here. Let's see, where's it going? Okay, there. Come on. Set limit order there. There. And then I'll go down to 82. 82. But let's see. I was gonna quit at 740, but looks like we have movement now, guys. It looks like we have movement.
Order
What did I say? 82, right? Oh, God.
Order
damn it.
filled. Order filled.
Put the wrong one in. Son of a biscuit. Instead of putting a sell, put a buy. God darn it. What a freaking idiot. What a fucking idiot. Get down. Get down. Could this be the long now, babe?
Order filled.
Oh, just lost it. Look at that. Fuck. So I only got $371 to play with. Could this be the long? Could this be the long? Or will I blow this account? Will I blow this account? I know you guys like drama and you guys want to see somebody blow their account. So I'm gonna stay on. I'm gonna stay on and just show you guys that you can blow your account. Let's see here. Oh wow, look at that. Yeah, 15 is showing long. Well, I mean, the candle's on the bottom, the body's on the top. Same thing with the 5. Let me trade on the 5, guys. Let me trade on the 5. Here, let me buy right there. I'm gonna buy right there if it goes back up. Let me go to the 5 minutes. I only have, so if this goes down to 48,000, that's it. I blew that account. So I have $371 to play with. So that's what I mean about intraday, guys. Intraday, they're kind of tricky to trade. So you want to stay green as much as possible, because, like, say for instance, this candle, you gotta say one contract, it goes up to 100, and you close it there, and you only take 50. Well, that other 50 goes against you as well. That's how intraday works. So just keep that in mind when dealing with intraday accounts. Let me see. I'm gonna put a sell down there. I'm gonna put a sell down there. Sell down there, and then, oh shucks, that's not gonna be much of a trade, but oh well. Let's just get it. Let's just get it. Let me trade on the 5 minute. Wow, there goes my account. What the hell? Homepage. You weren't following my trade, were you? I hope not. Yeah, it's not gonna be much of a trade. 78. We'll do it. We'll keep it on. We will keep it on.
Order.
There it goes, guys. There it goes. You remember.
Order filled.
I want to stay green.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, it's back in the green, guys. It's back in the green. 616. 616. Oh, man. That's good. That's good. That's really good. That is really good. Alright, well. We still don't have, let me see. Performance. Okay, let's check it. Let's check it. Let me check it. Okay. Worst day 9:15. Holy shit, we did all them trades. That's pretty good. No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, so there's no need for me to keep trading. There's really no need for me to keep trading. Why? Yeah, it's an evaluation, but you want to treat all your accounts like they're real accounts. Look, we're 616 in the good. Why keep trading? There's no need. There's no need to keep trading. Just leave it alone. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll do it again. But right now, just leave it alone, guys. We are good. We are good. We only have $371 left on that account to trade. If we lose that 371, then we're done. We're done. The account has been blown. But why blow it? Tomorrow will be another day, guys. Tomorrow will be another day. Alright, so stay disciplined. You're in the green. Keep the green. Don't give it back like I did. Alright? So we'll trade tomorrow again. I'll show you what I'm gonna do tomorrow, and we'll keep this account going. Don't worry about it, guys. Do not worry about it. There's no need to keep trading. Alright? Just leave it alone. Leave it alone. Discipline is key to day trading. Alright? Well, we'll see you guys tomorrow.